judges. A pleasant morning to you. I am M.K. Muhammad Adil, studying 9th standard from St. Joseph's College High Secondary School, Trichy from Tamilnadu.
I am S. Santosh, studying 9th standard in St. Joseph's College Higher Secondary School, Trichy, Tamil Nadu.
Now, we are going to present our topic, name, plastic recycling system. We made this project in the theme of 3R principle: reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Plastic plays a vital role in our environment. Burning of plastic causes toxic gas such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, dioxin, hydrochloric acid, and etc. Recycling of plastic without polluting the environment is impossible. In our project, recycling the plastic without pollution and producing oxygen from burning of plastic by plasma electrolysis for CO2 conservation process. We made this plastic recycling system in a garbage collective rover. This is our vehicle. When any object is detected in front of this IR sensor, it will be stopped. This is called as auto cutoff system. If any object is detected, it will be stopped. And when the object is moved, and it will be stopped to move. And when again detected, it will be again stopped.
If we take the government garbage collector, there must be 6 members: a driver, an insister, and 4 collectors of the garbages. By this, there is one member. He is like an insister. By this, we can save the time and energy. Behind the vehicle, there is 2 slots: biodegradable and non-biodegradable. People must split the wastes into biodegradable and non-biodegradable.
Infrared sensor. It is also called as IR sensor. There are two LED-like substances are present. The left LED-like substance is emit an invisible ray called as scene. If any object is detected in front of it, the ray will hit the object and reflect to this black color LED. It is called as photodiode. And when the ray is absorbed by photodiode allow the electricity to pass in the output of the IR sensor.
Next is lithium ion battery. It is a 3.7 volt and 2500 mAh. It is used for the power supply and it is rechargeable.
Next, 5-volt single channel relay board. It is also called as SPDT, single pole double throw relay. It contains 3 input pins and 3 output pins. And inside the relay present a copper coil, and when we put the electricity on it, it creates a magnetic field through which it acts as an automatic switch. This is a thermal energy generation unit.
And this is a burning compartment and this is chimney. Components used in this project. This is pelleter module. This is a booster XL6009 step up module. This is motor pump and this is a 9-volt battery, lithium ion battery 3.7 volt, 2500 mAh and dual channel relay module. And this is a flame sensor.
This is a burning compartment and we need to burn the non-biodegradable, which is separated as a plastic. And you can see the readings and produce electricity. And when it sends the flame, it controls the fire, but it will not fully stop the fire.
And it is a pelleter module. It contains 2 alloys, a positive and negative. It converts the heat energy into electrical energy. When I keep the pelleter in the heat energy, it converts into electrical energy and sent to booster. What does booster do? Booster, if the pelleter gives 32 or 50 volt, the booster comes 100 to 150 volt.
And When it burns, it produces some smoke and it can be collected by this exhaust fan. When it runs, it will absorb the smoke and give it to here. Here is a dry cloth which filter the dust particle present in that, and we can filter this as oxygen by the process of plasma-electrolysis process.
And what does the plasmoelectrolysis for CO2 conservation? The CO2 was got to the plasmolysis. What does plasmolysis do? The plasmolysis cool down the CO2 and break down into oxygen, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. SOEC, solid oxide electrolyzer cell.
We need to give input as this application to here. In SOEC center a disk present. It is an electrochemical device. That disk want to heat up to 500 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius. When a carbon combined with oxygen transfers heat will be down uh, down to the disk due to density, so that oxygen can be released to the atmosphere and CO and CO2 continue in this process of plasmolysis, and through which until the oxygen particles in CO and CO2 is over.
From the biodegradable waste to produce the biogas, 75% of biodegradable waste and 25% of water to produce the methane. We can use the methane as fuel.
And the waste of biodegradable, we can make it as a fertilizer by a layer of sand and the waste of biodegradable waste. Thank you everyone.
This is our humble presentation.